Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to update the copyright date in your footer for some basic WordPress themes, not custom themes. There is a video on here if you've got Beaver Builder and Beaver Themer, but in this one we're just going to do two basic WordPress themes. You can see right here that this site, this is my test site, is running 2017. So if you just have a free WordPress theme, you're going to come over here to Appearance, Customize, and you'll see this is the basic 2017 theme, and we're trying to get down here. Now, I've never added a copyright date because this is just my test site, but the footer is in widgets. So we'll click on widgets, and we're going to click footer 2 because it's a little bit lower. So I want to add a widget, and here I just want to add a basic text box. So right there, I'm just going to click on that. And here's my text box. So now I want to add the copyright date. And in a prior video, I showed you how to grab the copyright symbol, but I'll show you again. So go down here to the search bar and type character map. And you'll see the copyright date is right here. So I'm going to select that, select it, copy, and then I can come over here and hit Control V to paste. So this site was launched in 2018 through 2019. Entwine Web Design, because that's the company that's, well, I don't have the legal documents on here, but that's the entity that's listed in all of my privacy policy, my terms of use, etc. So then I just hit publish. So let's go back. I'm going to change themes. I'm going to show you how to do this on the Astra theme, and it'll kind of give you an idea that if you're like, wait, but my theme doesn't show this, how you can sort of explore and find where your footer settings are. So let's change it, and we're going to go, I have an Astra child theme here that I will activate. And again, the footer settings are in the customizer. So right here from the theme panel, I can click customize. Okay, now here you'll note, oh my gosh, it doesn't say footer anywhere. And if I look in widgets, it's not there either. So what do? I'm going to go, you kind of just have to explore. And this one, actually, the footer is under layout. So if I go to layout, I'll see footer and the footer bar. And here you'll see it says copyright 2019. So I'm going to add custom text. I'm going to take out the word copyright because I just like the little symbol. I think it looks a little bit cleaner. And I'm going to take out the current year because according to attorney Bobby Klink from Your Online Genius, he suggests doing the spread of years that your website has been up. So we'll do 2018 through 2019 for my test site, powered by, and this is Astra. We can leave that or not. I'll take it off because I don't want it on there. So 2018 to 2019, Entwine Web Design test site. Now, if I want to take off the test site, then I would just delete those, that short code, and just put Entwine Web Design and just the name of your company right there, publish, and then that will be your footer on every page. So just remember in WordPress, when you go to the customizer, depending on what theme you're using, you might have to look around. Generally, it's under widgets, but in the case of Astra, it's under layout. So just kind of click around if you can't find it, but this is where you'll find the footer settings.